Hey guys, this is Chris, founder of FORTADOR. Since nearly 2 decades, we are manufacturing equipment for auto detailing, for car washes, for cleaning companies. And I would like to briefly present you our best sellers, so you will understand which model will fit better to your concept. What we are looking at is the Bolt Electra. Very, very compact. Way we design it is to have this equipment being so narrow so it could be used inside of the public transportation, movie theaters, hotel business, restaurant business. It is 12 bar. Equipped standard accessories are 10 meter steam hose and 10 meter steam extraction dual hose that is being used for mainly upholstery cleaning, extraction and disinfection purposes. What we see here is very, very similar machine, but for smaller companies. It's 7 bar, does the same thing, the same accessories, mainly used for hotel sector, for restaurant business and for small cleaning companies. Sometimes it's being also chosen by auto detailing studios, which are specializing in PPF foil application, and they don't need high pressure, high performance cleaning of outside of the vehicles. They need it for just small use. This is our brand new model. It's called Sensory. My personal favorite. Very, very compact. As you see, it's very small. It's light. It is equipped in the standard 9 programs. So different settings of temperature, pressure, wetness of the steam. It is equipped with 2 steam guns and steam hoses, which are 10 meters, and they have very interesting tool. It is very similar to the Tornado, but we call it twister nozzle, and it uses steam and 16 bar pressure to penetrate and clean, for example, upholstery, but it's also used for engine cleaning, outside cleaning. Those 2 big boys, this is Pro Maxus. They are our best seller. Very often delivered to Northern America, to GCC, and throughout of the Europe. Usually being delivered to the mobile cleaning businesses. So that will be only one equipment that you will need in your vehicle, or for the detailing studio, car washes. This machine is equipped with the vacuum cleaner that could extract wet and dry waste. It is also equipped with the 2 steam hoses that could be extended up to 50 meters. So very, very interesting machine. Standard equipment is also carry the special dual extraction hose, which ejects steams and also extract cleaning upholstery. You could use it even to remove graffiti, to clean the buildings. It is a very, very powerful tool. Standard machine is available in 16 or 20 bar, but our exclusive supplier, Lamborghini Calore Clima, they offer us a new solution, and that solution is much stronger power plant. We have 41.5 kW power. That means we could offer now 25 bar. This is the strongest equipment on the market. Very, very little fuel consumption, only 0.5 liter. So one of the most efficient machine on the market. Our competitors from Korea or different countries, they offer equipment which is usually between 9 to 10 bar top, and the machine consumes usually 3 to even 5 liters of diesel. So that means you will probably spend under 50 euro cents or 50 US cents on one vehicle to clean. Very efficient and one of the most interesting and best-selling machine in our offer. Thank you very much.